Where are we going? What's there?
Next to Jack's house.
Playground?
You'll find out.
And what do you have? You have two.
And
And I have-
Megalodon.
And Megalodon.
And Blue Thunder.
And Blue Thunder.
Have to match.
Yeah.
Because we put it in the garbage.
I think there's somebody at the playground. So maybe you're gonna be able to play with somebody? If they want to play with monster trucks. If they don't. Well, they put in rocks on the slides, so.
What did I have to do?
It's a small fly. Go on. From this side is better.
Yeah.
Oh! Again? Come on. Good job. Well, he actually did. He parked by the fence there. He didn't land. And he didn't. Only one that landed. Yeah, look. He almost went to the other side. Well, how about Megalodon?
Who got down first?
I don't know. I can replay it. Well, Blue Thunder.
So we got two hands and check. We got two hands and
And then you still have, what's his name? Megalodon on top there.
we know he'll just check at the end, like to snow it in,
Yeah.
so we can see closely.
Who landed first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got here first.
Oh, here first. Okay.
So
Oh, it's windy.
Dragon's dead again.
Yeah. From this side is better to do it though.
No.
He landed. Oh, well. Dragon's dead.
Oh yeah, you're
I am. I was. Oh, he landed. Look at that.
yeah. So now it's time. Whoever gets.
Let's get a close up. Let's go.
Hey, go down. No, Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder.
Like that.
No.
Blue Thunder. No, it's lagging because.
Okay.
Because.
Okay. Do you want me to hold them for you?
Yeah.
While you climb?
I can hold
This one is sharp. You climb and then I'll put it there.
Now it's time to put them on this one. Blue Thunder.
Yeah. It looks like it's a Blue Thunder that is winning. Because he's winning all the time. Should we try a small slide?
Yes.
Maybe somebody else will win there.
Yeah, because you're lost.
Can I have one too or no?
You have this one.
Okay. So how do we do it then?
What's that? It's under,
Where?
under your foot.
That's leaf. Leaves. This. Oh, that's a ladybug. There's a lot of them. Okay. So this one is wider. I think the three of them could go at the same time.
So you.
I'll wait for you.
I could hold over if I can.
It's okay. I can hold this one. Ready? Set. Go. Ooh. Oh, mine didn't even make it to the end. He's hanging there.
And Megalodon push him.
My guy?
Yep, you're right.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. You're
Well,
right.
okay, you started too late, so maybe that's why.
Yeah. So, was in the way. So, Megalodon was in second. So, this here, here, and then here.
Oh, it's getting colder, eh?
Yeah.
The sky got darker and its wind is picking up. Ooh! Oh! Wow, he barked! And he was trying to park on top of him. And he parked next to him too.
Yep. Which one loves him at the time and who goes
Oh, who goes farthest?
move it?
Yeah?
Because they like
You want me to move him?
move her in the side.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Order to Thank you. Move one, that one, but
Well, they're the same, sort of. Well, the dragon is the farthest.
yeah, and then Goof under.
And then Megalodon, yeah.
So my favorite one. But my first favorite Goof under is this second. No, actually my fourth.
You want to push him up too? Okay. Let's see.
Boing.
He almost fell to the other side, buddy. Whoa! That fell. Oh no! Both of them did. Oh! Megalodon pushed the dragon and they fell to the other side.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, Goof under the hole almost mega.
He almost did too, yeah.
How?
Yeah, they tumble in. They're not sliding, buddy.
Oh, so that's me too.
Maybe slowly.
Ow.
You want me to give them to you?
Yep.
Okay. And maybe slowly, because if you give them hard push, they tumble instead of sliding down. See? 1, 2. And he loses. It's not his day, Caleb. It looks like it's Dragon and Blue Thunder that are winning all the time. I don't know who won now. A little bit Dragon, I think.
Yeah, kind. This one is different.
Yeah.
Come on.
So Dragon, straight. There you go. Yeah. No, that doesn't go like that, buddy. Look, it's going straight like this. So it's going that way and this way. See?
Oh.
So he is lost. He lost. Do you want me to pass them to you? Or you're gonna push them up. Oh, he barked. Good job. And he barked too.
Back to me.
And he didn't bark.
And he jumped like, ooh, ooh.
One at a time?
Yep.
Okay.
I can is that a tie?
No, he's second.
Megalodon.
Ooh. Hold on. I think Megalodon might have won. Yeah. Because he's tired. If we go straight, it's way farther than Dragon.
Hold on, why do 200?
No, he's slightly behind Megalodon. Yeah, so Megalodon, for the first time, Megalodon won.
Yep, because I pushed him backwards. No, I didn't.
Oh, he's driving away. Nice. One more. Oh, all of them parked. That's super cool. Oh wow, Blue Thunder won so far. Blue Thunder is the winner.
Oh, again!
And then Megalodon is third.
Come on.
Come on. What was that? Are you one of the trucks?
No, it's tumbled.
Are you Caleb? What would be your name if you were a monster truck?
No, it's crazy running.
No, if we used your name to make it a monster truck.
Like and subscribe.
Like what?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Oh,
Blue Thunder leading.
really?
Well, he's winning, Blue Thunder.
Oh, I didn't
Yeah.
even know
Yeah, but he tumbled. He didn't really slide though.
Yeah, but
Because it pushed him. Yeah, I know.
Smooth on this.
Okay. Hi, monkey.
Hold it on so don't fly. Like a...
Oh, down the stairs. Did he landed? Oh, that's cool. I almost fell over this hill of gravel.
This is a map of this.
Okay.
I put Megalodon maybe upside down.
Let's see. Whoa, that was nice. But he did. But he did not land, unfortunately.
But Charlie was the only one that landed.
Yeah. Dragons winning so far. Well, Blue Thunder. It looks like it's just his day.
No, one on the other side.
We can still stay. I don't have to go. We don't have to go.
Oh, Megalodon! It's two looking for Megalodon, but more than them.
You have rocks in your shoes.
Yep. What? Choppy, choppy? Choppy.
Huh? I wonder if it's gonna pass or it's just gonna pour on us. Can you feel it?
Yes.
Okay. We might get soaked. But the sky is blue there. But above us it's a lot of clouds.
It's brown. Looks like Megalodon won.
This time, yeah. Huh? Yeah, I can see. Can you see it too? Yeah, even on the slide. Slide is getting wetter and wetter.
Yeah, so that makes it slippier.
It's gonna be slippier, yeah.
Make it on, please. Yeah, please leave me on the left. Yay!
Well, Megalodon's second.
Yay. 'Cause
Yeah. Should we wrap it up? Start going home so we don't get drenched.
Yeah.
Do you want me to carry one of the guys?
Yeah, I'll show you Megalodon and a Blue Thunder.
Give me the dragon. Okay, I'll take him. We have to wrap it up because it's raining. Hey? Yeah, somebody's playing, but I think once they... Oh, those are the kids that were at the playground. But I think if it starts to rain heavily, they're gonna go home too. Oh, we're gonna wash them at home. Clean the tires. That's bumpy. Bye, Megalodon. Ow, my nail.
Oh my God, stop.
Oh! Want to put some bubbles?
Yeah. Bubble.
Squeeze it in. No. It's open. Just squeeze it in. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Is it warm? Yeah. Ouch. You can put all of them there.
Okay.
And then we can put them here for them to dry after you wash them.
Maybe it doesn't hurt. It needs hurt.
It needs what?
There's not.
Yeah. Is that water not running away by any chance? I think it might be running away. No, it shouldn't be. Because it doesn't look like it's getting higher. Unless they're floating. Maybe they're floating. And once they're clean, we'll put them here and they will just drip. No. Okay, but okay. So now what you're gonna do? Look, let go. You're gonna take it off here, like, and rinse the bubbles gently so they don't splash everywhere. See? Good job. And then you can take it out. Let go. It's gonna go back, and then you can take another guy. No, the other guy. Put him up here, and then do the same thing.
No.
Just park him. Yeah. There you go. Good job. There you go. And then take the last guy. Yeah. Well, I don't think there's gonna... Yeah, this is not gonna go away. But they're actually clean now, so after they dry, we can use them on the floor. All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See you next time.
Bye. Like and subscribe.